Hi everyone, and welcome back. Using just a few ingredients, I'm going to show you how to make crispy, delicious tater tots from scratch. To make these, we'll need 2 medium to large russet potatoes, a tablespoon of flour, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of pepper, a half teaspoon of onion powder, as well as some oil for frying. The first step is to rinse and peel the potatoes. Then we'll cut them into large chunks, place them in a pot, and cover them with water. And bring the water to a boil over high heat, and cook the potatoes for about 10 minutes, or until they are slightly tender, but not fully cooked. About 15 minutes in total. Then we'll drain the potatoes in a colander in the sink, and let them cool for about another 10 minutes. While the potatoes are cooling, we'll preheat our oil to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once our potatoes have finished cooling, we'll grate them using a food processor with the grater attachment on low speed or a box grater, and lightly press out any excess water with a kitchen towel and transfer the shredded potatoes to a large bowl. We'll add our tablespoon of flour, teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of pepper, and half teaspoon of onion powder to our potatoes and gently mix until everything is well combined. Now it's time to shape our tater tots. We'll take about 2 tablespoons of our mixture and roll it into a log about 1 inch long and a ½ inch thick. We'll repeat this with the rest of our mixture. Once formed, we'll carefully drop the tater tots into the hot oil and fry them for about 3 minutes. Then we'll remove them from the oil and drain them on paper towels. You can sprinkle them with some additional salt if desired. This recipe makes approximately 18 tater tots. You can serve these with your favorite dipping sauce such as ketchup, mustard, or ranch dressing. I hope you liked this recipe. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.